Are young white working class boys being unfairly targeted with this?
Oh, absolutely not. This is something that will be rolled out across the country. And look, the patriarchal norms and misogyny is not something that is confined to any one group in society.
Really interesting. I would love to hear your thoughts about this as well. So, boys are going to go on to anti-misogyny classes, okay, to protect girls. Cool. Okay, I think girls and women do need to be protected. I also think boys need to be protected as well. So, are young girls going to go on to anti-misandry classes? If you don't know what that is, but you know what misogyny is, arrogance. Just going to say the word arrogance. Research it if you don't know what it is. Also, I was a teacher. These young boys are behaving in a way that is conducive of the way they've been treated in society or in the education system. They feel a little bit victimised. I'm not going to mention any names of these big male influencers in the industry. You know exactly who they are. And people are turning to these people because they feel misunderstood and unheard. From my experience, putting a young boy, a teen boy, into a class to say that you can't behave in this way and do this and do this, do that, don't get me wrong, I think some of those lessons would be fantastic. I think they definitely should be. But they just won't adhere to it. They won't listen. They're not interested. They won't listen. What we do need to do is listen to these kids. We do need to listen to these children, because the education system is perfect for creating worker bees and entrapment and not helping young people understand who they are so they can flourish in this world to do things that they are destined to do. There's nothing like that in the education system. It was designed for a purpose 100 years ago to create factory workers, but that's gone now. That's not working now. That's not a thing. We don't do that. And young people are feeling lost, and they feel lost and they feel unheard, and they don't feel listened to. So where do they go? They go to social media. I don't think children should have social media until the age of 16. That's my personal opinion. But they're going to these people, and these people are saying, oh, you can do this, you can do that, you can do and you can do all those things. You can be rich and stuff like that. I've done it. But they don't say the how, and they make it all pretty first. So I'd love to hear what you think about this. Should boys go through this, and should girls go through this as well? What do you think? Because I've been in school and there's been some absolutely asinine behaviour from young girls to boys. Okay, so even the kids, the boys in the class that just want to get on with the work, they just want to knuckle down, they're known as geeks, I guess, they get hit, bullied, victimised, sworn at, taken the mick out of by girls. Girls, I tell you this now, from my experience, girls are 10 times more acidic in their words than young boys, because girls are smarter and they know how to get in, they know how to hurt. Just my thoughts. I'd love to hear yours.